Ivy is very blessed to have such lovely friends and people who want to come and learn from her story. I'm very pleased to be here myself to support Ivy. Life is a beautiful exhibition. Ivy joined the Hong Kong Cancer Fund's art therapy program in 2022, and we are honoured to help her realize her dream of holding this art exhibition.
首先咧，好多謝大家嚟到啦。其實我作為一個小女子，我冇諗過係可以去招聚咁多人。好多謝 Cancer Fund 啦，好多謝 Sally。其實今次係一個 wish fulfillment program 嚟嘅。當我知道自己有 cancer 嘅時候，係有少少突然嘅，覺得點解嚟得咁快？我覺得聖經有句説話講得好啱嘅，就係我哋喺一切患難中，神就安慰我哋，叫我哋能用神所賜嘅安慰去安慰那遭各樣患難嘅人。即係如果我唔係有呢個病，我未必會有呢個親身嘅感受，可以去 share 俾其他人知。有好多嘢係 unexpected， 即係你唔會知道個結果係點，但係盡力喺嗰刻當刻去做咯，享受當中嘅過程咯。
Pain without suffering， 我哋可以有身體嘅痛楚嘅，但係唔一定要受苦嘅。特別當我哋有信仰嘅時候咧，我哋有呢份力量。咁 Ivy 咧，正正就係要咧今日分享呢一種內在嘅力量俾我哋。
其實病真係一定好多嘅情緒，有好多焦慮。但係同一時間，當我哋創作或者當我哋可以審視我哋周圍嘅時候，有啲乜嘢可以令到我哋感覺會好啲呢？有啲乜嘢我哋可以掌握到，我哋可以睇到、留意到。咁其實通過 Ivy 嘅創作，可以一個好好嘅提醒，俾翻我哋可以 accumulate， 可以 cultivate 好多美好嘅事。
There's only one word really describes what Ivy is doing. What is she sharing with us? And that is love. Love conquers all. In the Cancer Fund, it's all about love. It's all about healing. And whatever you have in life, to be grateful for it. Gratitude is everything.
Ivy， 好多謝你咧，俾個機會我同你行呢條恩典之路。你係我認識之中咧一個十分努力嘅病人。
分享會認識你啦，覺得你好堅強同埋好勇於接受挑戰，好欣賞你。希望你可以繼續你化療旅程之餘，真係好似你講到繼續 enjoy drawing 啦 ，enjoy your life，
繼續加油，繼續努力向前，係祝福佢有神同在。
Ivy 記住咧，好好休息啊！有時咧，知道你要行到好長，或者好多想要完成嘅事情啦，無論 workshop 啊等等嘅嘢，但係最緊要咧，俾自己好好休息喺呢個抗癌路上面咧，你要加油啊！